Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Let's see what's going on today. Okay, let's go see. Look at that cute little pink Jeep. Isn't that adorable? Y'all. This is going down. She is so adorable. That's Jordan. She's adorable.
Yeah, it's good. That's life. You may make this out? Yeah. You want mustard?
Did you get anybody to notify you or ask if you do something for them? Because
I did.
Okay. Well, let me tell you what happened. So I put a before and an after on a garage sale page. Well, the before is before this guy cut down all these trees and moved them out.
Yeah.
So it didn't look like the after, but you can see that it is because the tin in front is bent.
Yeah.
I had 4 different people accuse me of trying to scam people.
Doctor, yeah.
Yes.
Huh.
Talk about dopes.
I'm not on their side, but I'm not against it. It's so many people.
Well, all they had to do was look, and they would have seen that it's the exact same house, but there are.
Hey, let me ask this. Did we go to the moon?
I got one call that I went and looked at, but I'm going to pass on it because their house is.
I can
Oh.
go down. Yeah, that's bad.
Did you already go see it?
I can't keep a cell phone call.
Well, they living in it?
It was a rent house.
Oh, and they, well, mine wasn't bad.
Yeah, I mean, there's big body holes through the walls.
Oh, it'd be. You'd be an old man time you finish that.
Yeah, they're talking about putting criminal. It ain't gonna stick. I mean, you can try, but you're gonna be fighting more than they are.
I got you. Okay, here's what they're doing. They're tearing down the mobile home, and they are burning the stuff they can't use. And there's a water hose out here. If any neighbor wants to complain and scream at me like they had before. Here's a pile that will go on the fire. And then they've got stuff that they're saving, like the bathtub.
I surprised put both of them.
So they're going to take down this fence right here too. But not this. Got the refrigerator out. Y'all look inside.
Well, I've killed 4 wasps. I bought the cheap stuff. You never worked here? You worked here.
Got to have a door back on there.
I didn't run
Yeah.
that quick either.
They're having their
I've passed
lunch, I guess. There's that door.
No.
Hey, kitty. What are you doing, honey? I got food over there for you. Do you have water? Uh-oh. Look at this, y'all. I mean, they're tearing it down, aren't they? I'm going to leave this little room here because I'm going to put my tools, yard tools and extra paints, in here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Isn't that something? They're tearing it out. I am so glad to see this gone, y'all. I'm so glad to see it gone. Oh. That guy talks a lot, doesn't he?
The other two, when I pull them out, they
All right. I sort of wish we had rain, but then again, they couldn't burn. They're watching it. Hey, baby. Hi, kitty. You don't need in here, honey. I know. I know what's happening. I know.
It cost $1 million. I don't have 20% of $1 million.
All of a sudden, we had this terrible storm come up. Heavy rain. They were out there working. I had to pull my car over so she could get her Jeep under the carport because she doesn't have, woo, goodness gracious, doesn't have the top for it. They quickly put out the fire over there that they've been burning. Then they had stuff all over the ground. Of course they've got stuff all over the ground. It's a mess. So they had to put heavy stuff on top of the lighter stuff like paneling and things like that to keep it from blowing all over the place. She is soaking wet, bless her heart. Boy, y'all, I didn't expect this. All of a sudden it just came up with not much warning. Look at that rain. It is coming down. Now we needed the rain, yes, but we don't need those high winds, especially around here. But we're getting them just the same. Heavy, heavy winds. Or strong winds, heavy rain. That's what happens. Shows you that you are not in control, are you? God is in control all the time. So we must not get too smug and think that nothing's going to happen. You never know what he has in store. I don't know where they are over there. I have no idea. I'm not going back over there because it's just, I'm going to get soaking wet. I already got wet this one time just moving my car over. So it's another 2 hours before this, the rain's supposed to let up. So they'll probably leave. I just don't know. They'll probably leave. She's out there walking in that rain, y'all. I mean, it's heavy, heavy rain. It's the hard. They're the hardest working people I ever saw in my life. Except maybe me and Brian. But they really are. They're fantastic. Okay. To be continued.